Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy feeder after power button restart failed. So guys, if you want to force restart and reset your Birdfy app, so just you follow this video. First thing is guys, perform a hard reset. If the power button is unresponsive, so your camera may be frozen. So disconnect the external power, unplug the solar panel and charging cable. Lift the small silicone cover protecting the power button to find the tiny pin hole next to it. Then use a pin, insert the included ejector pin into the reboot hole. Then hold to the power off. Press and hold for 1 second until the camera power off completely, and wait about 1 minute. Then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Check the troubleshoot and the battery. A completely drained battery will cause the power button so restart to fail. So disconnect it from the solar panel and use the provided USB-C cable to plug it into the standard wall adapter for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Then check the indicator light. Look for the constant yellow or red light which indicate that the device is actively charging. So ensure the charging port is clearly or debris and cable is put securely all the way in. Then guys, factory reset. If the camera turns on but that refuses to connect to app or Wi-Fi, a factory reset clear the device cache. For this, turn on the camera, then hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds, then watch the light start blinking, so usually flashing red or amber. Then you release, let and go and wait for the camera to restart. It's take up to 2 minutes. Then reconnect your camera and go through the pairing process on your 2.4 GHz network. So guys, these are the things that you can try. So guys, thank you.